don't have children, but I am extraordinarily accident prone and I have a lot of anxiety. So I got this adorable first aid kit for a little more peace of mind. So there's tons of cute designs, by the way, but I had to get this one because I'm a woodland forest type girly. Look at how adorable these bandages are. I can't handle it. There's more. There are more colors. That's just a few of them, and there's tons in here. Oh my God, that's a dinosaur. Everything that you need for you, for your kids. This is TSA approved, by the way, so it means you can take it with you inside the plane. A tick remover, safety pins, there's a sewing kit in here, lip balm, also moleskin for blisters. I need to take this to theme parks, camping trips, picnics, theme parks, in the car. It's for everything, and it's so well organized. I love this. I don't know why, but that just like really just, it's just perfection. Also, this is a USA-based small family business. And that just gives me like some pride in my chest. It's so cute. There's so many cute designs too. And there's some more masculine designs so that dad can have it in his truck too. I highly recommend this. This is a really nice gift for people as well. It's very user friendly and it's something you actually need, but it's still cute and thoughtful.